Hello everyone. Today we will talk about class 12th chapter, that is human health and diseases. First of all, we'll discuss about the definition of health. It is very important. So health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. So we cannot say that a person is healthy if he doesn't catch any disease. So it is not merely freedom from diseases. So WHO has given a very important definition that it is a state when the person is physically fit and of course mentally fit and socially also fit. That means the person lives in a society, talks with people, he is mentally good and he is free from any kind of disease. That person can be called as a healthy person. So the factors that affect human health, number one, that is the genetic disorders, number two, infections, and number three, lifestyle. Balanced diet, personal hygiene, and regular exercises are very important to maintain good health. So, how can we maintain and sustain the good health? First of all, we have to take balanced diet. Balanced diet means the diet must contain all the essential nutrients, that is carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, everything should be there in the balanced diet. And personal hygiene is also important. That means the person should be hygienically sound. That means he should maintain hygienic conditions, and very important, he should do regular exercises. Then awareness about diseases and their effect on different body functions, vaccinations against infectious diseases, proper disposal of waste, control of vectors, maintenance of hygienic food and water resources. These are the necessary achievements so one can attain good health. So these are the conditions we must know. We must get our vaccinations done. We must know how we have to control the vectors. We have to maintain hygienic food. So these conditions will help us in maintaining good health. Then comes the definition of disease. So what is a disease? Anything. It is a state or something that affects the normal functioning of the body. It is a state when functioning of one or more organs, not only one organ but there may be more organs or systems of the body, that is adversely affected. Of course, disease have certain signs and symptoms. So diseases can be broadly divided into two categories on the basis of their mode of transmission. Number one is the infectious diseases. As the name tells by itself, the diseases that easily spread from one person to another, those are called as infectious diseases. And the other is non-infectious diseases, the diseases that do not get transmitted from one person to another. Examples in infectious diseases can be AIDS, common cold, whereas non-infectious are the one they do not get transmitted from one person to another. For example, cancer or diabetes. So disease causing organisms. So there must be certain organisms that cause disease. So those organisms are called as pathogens. For example, bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoan, helminths, etc. So pathogens enter the body by direct contact. They can enter by direct contact or by contaminated food and water, or by droplet infection, or by through certain other fluids from one person to another.